Do you still travel with horses, sir? Yes, sir. Anyway, to do this effect, upload your map and keep it to 5 seconds. Next, go to the Fusion page, press Shift Space, and add a paint node. Click on this polyline stroke tool and draw the path. Left-click, release, and then continue doing so until you get tired. Change the line color, and click on Media Out to check if you are happy with your masterpiece. Click on the paint node again, and under Brush Controls, play with the size and softness. This is the softness my wife wants, so I'll move on from here. Now, on to more stroking. Change the spacing to 2.0 to convert the line into dots. To animate the dots, make sure your playhead is on the first frame and create a keyframe on the write-on section. Then drag the slider to the left until the end value is 0. Move the playhead to the end of the clip, click the keyframe again in the write-on, and then change the end value to 1.0. Now let's see the result of our stroking. Oh my god, that is good. What I want to do is to add a horse in front of the moving path. To do that, click on the paint node, press Ctrl-C, and then Ctrl-V to make a copy. If you are using a Mac, then God help you. While the copy of the paint node is selected, go to the Inspector panel and click on Modifiers if you do not see the control tools. Then, change the color to anything but red. Make sure your playhead is at the beginning of the clip. Since this is a copy, there are already keyframes in the write-on, and we only need to change their values. Change the end value to 0.001. Then, change the spacing to 0. Move the playhead to the end of the clip and change the start value to 0.999. All the yellow dots except the one in front are gone. Let's check it out. Okay, now I want to add the image of the horse. To do that, click that copy of the paint node and then click on this image button. Down below, you will have a few selections of images. If we choose bomb, the yellow dot now becomes a bomb. If we choose flake, the yellow dot becomes a flake. Since I want an image, I will click on this clip button here and then browse for my magnificent stallion. It's not showing up yet, so I will click on this merge button here. To adjust the size, use this slider. I think this is good enough, so let us see it in action. The final step is to add the sound. Go back to the edit page to do it. First, I will add a gallop. I will trim this sound clip, then add a horse's neigh. I don't need the extra neigh, so I'll just cut it out, make some adjustments, and here is our final product. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and see you next week.